This short guide explains how to buy shares of Nokia Oyj-ADR, a global telecommunications and network infrastructure company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NOK. This is an educational video and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example to show the process. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you must add funds to buy shares. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker NOK to locate the Nokia Oyj-ADR listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to find the correct share. Open the Nokia stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker on the page to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade is completed. After the trade, your Nokia position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the walkthrough link in the description for the example eToro flow.